Guys, I found right now a Bitcoin pattern that is really dangerous for Bitcoin, that we definitely have to talk about it. I really found it just right now. I did not verify it yet. We will do this today together in this episode, so definitely stick around here. And if you think that is interesting, then make sure that you're also subscribed to the channel, you like this video, and also activate the bell. That will help a lot with the algorithm to push this video out. And of course, let's jump directly into today's content here. So here on the 30 minutes chart, I had given you ahead of time on Twitter this potential bull flag here, which had falsely broken to the upside, and then with a scam wick came directly back down again. But now we have a solid breakout to the upside here. And I tell you guys, I had a trade going from kind of like here, was a quick scalp one, and I got out exactly here at the top, more or less. So that was a really quick one that I made myself based off the analysis that I gave earlier on my Twitter account, where I posted that bull flag scenario. But technically it's for me not a bull flag anymore, because the pole, if you look here at the pole, is almost now at the same level where we have the higher low, the last lower higher low in that bull flag. I would have liked it way more if the bull flag would have broken out somewhere like here. That would have been really nice. So, but that doesn't mean that the target is invalidated. So the target would be around $29,680 approximately. And you can see Bitcoin is making another attempt to break the monthly open or the monthly close for April. Doesn't matter how you want to see it, same. Yeah, so and you can see that the Bitcoin price is struggling to get above that level, because it is a critical level for Bitcoin to get above here, because once we're above $29,200, the market will extremely flip bullish in the immediate short term. Would I approach this right now? So first of all, we still have to look at the stochastic. So the stochastic is going up here, so that is not a good sign for me already to take here any scalp based on the 30 minutes chart. So let's have a look here on other levels. So when we're going here to the 4-hourly chart, you see price wise we are still here in no man's land, stuck between support of 28,200 to 28,700 to the resistance level of $29,450 approximately. And we got overnight into this zone and got immediately rejected. And there you see why also this zone is really key to retake by the bulls here in the immediate short and midterm. And also really interesting is that you can spot the pattern already that I'm looking at on another time frame already on this chart. But here is also one pattern potentially that I had also just spotted before I started to make this video. Just let me see here. Yeah, I have to take it kind of like this. So here is a potential rising wedge. Now you see here all these wicks here. Yeah, so you see here's a potential rising wedge on the 4-hourly chart. The stochastic is about to give a sell signal, so we should be cautious here. That could be a really good short opportunity for us if you want to short this. So my entry would be here, $29,000 approximately. So that would be my entry point for this trade. Let me choose a better color. So, and then my exit point would be then again the bottom or the top of that resistance area here from 27,200 to 27,700 approximately. So, and when we are looking then here, so my stop loss, I would put it up here at 29,400. So then we are looking at almost 5% that we can book here if we take this trade. So, and on 20x leverage, that's 100% that we can make here on this potential trade. But wait for a breakdown to the downside and wait also for a retest. So once we are breaking down here, what I would like to see, the price coming back up here, retesting this and then going down, and then is here your entry point around $29,000. That's what I, that's how I would play this. rising wedge pattern. And guys, don't forget, if you want to trade with me together, do it on BYBIT. You still get $30,000 if you sign up there with that specific link here. They have also now a crypto card, as I said in my last video, and also copy trading and whatnot. So definitely check it out because that's the platform where I'm always trading on. So now let's go to the pattern that I've spotted here. And that was on the daily chart. So you can see here, first of all, we are above the EMA ribbon with the price action, which is a really, really good sign. But we are also running here into this volume range on the VPVR, which is giving us resistance all the way up to $30,500 approximately. So, and we have to be cautious here around this specific area because of the prior price action in that specific area. So, and then when we are looking for underlying support, you can see the point of control here. The longest bar on the daily is around $21,000. So of course I don't believe that we are going to get there, but a retest here of 25 is still in the cards in my opinion, especially if we lose the daily EMA ribbon here, because we still have that volume void, this gap here, where the price can just do like this, you know, go all the way down, come back up and continue. So, but the pattern that I wanted to show you guys, that I'm gonna get rid of the EMA ribbon, is a potential, let me see. So like I said, I did not check it myself because I had an idea that it might be one, but I'm not quite certain. No, actually it's not. No, it's not. Maybe if I take it from another angle. So here we have a potential, just maybe, potential diamond pattern. It's not the most beautiful one. Yeah, more or less. So yeah, so like I said, I spotted it and I thought maybe it is something, but yeah, that doesn't look really accurate. So I rather go with my rising wedge theory on the 4-hourly chart. That's what we're gonna stick with, because yeah, that does not really look like a diamond pattern. I spotted this like 30 seconds before I made the video and thought during recording the video we're going to find out if it is one or not. So it's not, and therefore we're gonna stick here no, like I said, with the rising wedge pattern. And yeah, we have definitely to be careful around that, because like I said, on the 4-hourly everything is pointing to a potential flip and break to the downside. Guys, that's it already for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.